Welcome to the Lilybot Dance Party. I'm RobotDiva, bringing you the coolest mix of science, technology, and creativity from the STEAMDivas universe. Today, we're diving into a super fun project, programming Lilybot to dance. Have you ever wanted to see a robot groove to your favorite song? Well, now's your chance. Don't worry if you're new to programming, I'll guide you step by step. We'll learn how to make Lilybot move, light up, and stay perfectly in sync with music. Dancing is fun, and when tech joins the party, it gets even better. So let's get ready to groove, code, and shine. This is the Lilybot Dance Party, and you are the choreographer.
Zora.
Boogie. Boogie.